Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear friends, students, and viewers. Today, our topic is the difference between mass and weight. And this is most important topic because every student consider both are same things and both the name of same thing. And normally, people consider mass and weight both are same, but actually these two words are very different from one another, and there is a huge difference between these two words, mass and weight. Today we try to understand the concept and the difference between mass and weight. Now, we simply define these two terms, mass and weight. Mass. The quantity of matter in a body is called mass. In any body, the actual quantity known as mass of the body. And weight, the force with which the earth attracts every body towards its center, is called weight. There is a first difference between these two. Quantity of matter, its mean mass is quantity dependent and weight is gravity attractive force dependent. The force of gravity affect on the weight and the quantity of matter effect on the mass. Representation, mass is represented by M and weight is represented by W. Its SI unit is mass is kilogram and the SI unit of weight is Newton. Its formula W is equal to mg, M mass, G gravitational force. It is same at every place. It is changed with changing height. And this is most important concept. Last point is very important. And this concept always asked in exams, competitive exams. It is same at every place. What does mean it is same at every point? It's because the quantity of matter doesn't change at every from place to place. It will be same. For example, this is a marker and we measure in this marker at this point, and the mass of this marker is 20 gram. And then we change the position. We want to measure in the top of the hill or in any place maximum height from the earth. The mass of the marker will not be changed, it is same. But when we changing the different places, different points with respect to the gravity, with respect to the earth, the weight of the object change. A point in which force of gravity affect maximum, the weight of an object is maximum. And whenever the force of gravity decreases, the weight of object also decreases. When in space, object seems to be weightless. It's because the object is weightless because the force of gravity does not affect on that object. That's why object seems to be weightless. This is a main difference between mass and weight. Quantity of matter known as mass in any object, the quantity varies, mass also varies. But when the quantity of matter, we vary the quantity of matter and we measure the weight of an object and changing position, with the changing position, there is no difference, specific difference between weight because the changing of matter. It's because when we measure the weight of an object in a ground, it is 20 gram. It is 20 Newton. And when we increase the matter of object and we measure this object and at the top of the hill, at that point, the weight of an object is also 20 Newton or near about 20 Newton. It's mean weight is place height dependent with respect to gravity and mass is quantity dependent. With the variation of quantity, mass also vary, and with the variation of height, weight also varies. This is the main difference between weight and mass. We will meet in next lecture. Assalamu alaikum.